What if I told you, the best air fryer of 2025 costs less than a dinner for two? We tested 15 models, and these 5 blew us away, especially number 3. Stick around because the winner might surprise you. Oh, and all purchase links? Check the description. Let's get frying. Starting at number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart 6-in-1 air fryer. The best air fryer. With intuitive, clearly labeled touchscreen controls that featured a knob for easy temperature and time toggling, this air fryer was a standout. It has a wide, square basket, a comfortable handle, and a perforated insert that stays put when tilting and removing food. It consistently produced the most well-browned food in the least amount of time. It also allows you to set the temperature in 5-degree increments, and it saves the last temperature and time setting used. It had a built-in preheat function that averaged 4 minutes, and while this wasn't a huge deal, we just added food straight away, let the machine preheat, and waited the 30 seconds it took in between the add food notification and when the machine automatically began the cycle. If you want to add a couple of extra minutes after the machine's completed cooking, it will have to preheat again. In this case, the preheat time is noticeably shorter, but still present. This air fryer is moderately noisy, too. Number 2. Ninja AF101 4-quart air fryer. Another great air fryer. This is one of the only smaller air fryers that could keep up with its larger counterparts, in part due to its more spacious basket. It consistently produced well-cooked food. While we didn't find the all-analog controls to be as easy to use as digital controls, lots of button pressing, for those who are averse to touch screens, we can see why they would be appealing. We also appreciated how streamlined its interface was, that it was fairly silent, and that its timer counts down at the 1-minute mark. If you're feeding a family, the 4-quart basket may be too small. We'd suggest the Instant instead. It vents a lot of hot air out the back and, again, its button controls are tedious. Number 3. Cosori Pro LE 5-quart air fryer. An air fryer we like with a higher temperature range. This slightly smaller Cosori crisped food nicely, had a quiet fan, and had a responsive touchscreen located on the top, rather than the front, of the air fryer. Going up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this Cosori has the highest upper temperature limit we've seen. Most air fryers max out at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We appreciated its shake food reminder, which emitted a nice, audible noise. At $100, it's fairly inexpensive, too. The touchscreen-only control panel took more tapping to adjust the time and temperature. While we didn't hate the fact that the touchscreen is located at the top of the air fryer, some users may find this less of an intuitive placement. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The best air fryer toaster oven. Sleek, intuitive, and incredibly great at air frying, this is the best air fryer toaster oven money can buy. Fries and wings emerged golden brown and the perforated insert easily slid into the brackets on the toaster oven's walls. The bright digital control panel and knobs made toggling between settings, temperature, and time intuitive. This air fryer toaster oven doesn't toast as well as a standalone toaster. While this isn't surprising, it was true for many of the models we tested, it's worth noting. Number 5. KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven. A less expensive air fryer toaster oven we recommend. Are we saying $280, at the time of writing, is cheap? No, but this is the least expensive air fryer toaster oven we like. It's sleek and produced crispy fries in our tests. The digital control panel is bright and easy to read, too. At $120 less than the Breville, the KitchenAid pairs performance and price well. The exterior of the oven gets rather hot to the touch. The temperature is only adjustable in 5-degree increments. So, which air fryer are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments. If this review saved you time and money, do me a favor, smash that like button, share with your foodie friends, and subscribe for more honest kitchen gadget showdowns. See you in the next one.